Hello everybody. For those of you who don't know me, I am Mark Mathews. I'm the Deputy Head of Underwriting for the West of England in London. And in these strange times that we're in at the moment where no one is travelling out to get to see each other, I thought I'd use this opportunity to virtually remind you of the West's involvement with Nordic Marine Insurance and in particular their primary delay cover. So what is delay cover? It's firstly a means of protecting an owner or a charterer's revenue stream. It's a primary layer of cover which sits below the traditional 14-day deductible that you would find on a loss of hire policy. The cover is limited and rated upon a fixed and agreed amount, but it's not an all-risk cover. It does have three distinct categories of cover. There are the P&I related perils, the hull and machinery related perils, which when put together form the ship related perils, and then there are the shoreside perils. If we are to concentrate on the ship related perils, the first examples would be the P&I perils. So this is the delay of the vessel following a actual or alleged presence of contraband on board, delay following illness, injury or death of someone else on board, delay following pollution, delay to the vessel following desertion or detentions. The hull and machinery perils are delays following grounding, stranding, contact with an FFO, collision, and there's also cover for fire and explosion on board and breakdown or damage to machinery. The cover sits alongside an owner's three mainstream policies. So if you think about it, the hull and machinery cover protects the vessel's asset from loss and or damage, but it won't cover the loss of earnings. P&I policy picks up the liability arising from an event, but it doesn't pick up the loss of earnings. Now, loss of hire insurance certainly does pick up loss of earnings following an incident that was recoverable under the hull and machinery policy, but the normal deductible is 14 days. So the primary delay product of the NMI is designed to sit within that 14-day deductible of a loss of hire policy. So for the hull and machinery perils such as collision and stranding, you might get a cover of 12 days, excess of 2 days. For the fire and explosion and machinery damage, we might be actually looking at 7 days, excess of 7 days. And on the P&I perils, we're probably looking at something like 5 or 6 days, excess of 1 or 2 days. So what are the key points that we need to remember? It's a fixed premium product with a fixed daily sum insured. It's cash flow protection. It's customizable, so you can have just the P&I perils or the P&I and the hull and machinery perils, or perhaps if you are an owner whose vessels are trading spot, you might be interested in the P&I perils, the hull and machinery perils and the shoreside perils. If you already know our friends at Nordic Marine Insurance, that is brilliant. Please continue to deal with them and send inquiries. If not, and you would like to come through the West and use us as a conduit, then please get in touch with me, Mark Mathews, or my colleagues Sumit Madhu or Greg Franklin, whose contact details can be found on our website. Or if you have another underwriter at the West of England who you feel comfortable, have a good relationship, please just continue to liaise with them. They will get in touch with us. And really all I need to say now is thank you very much for I was going to say listening, but watching and listening. And in these weird and strange times, do stay safe and look after yourself. All the best. Thank you.